Hello everyone, it's Dragana at Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's another 15 minutes crafting session and I want to make a pocket in this journal. When I made it, I placed just dyed papers inside and there's not a single pocket in it. And I would really like to make one, perhaps here on that page. And I'm going to use the latest freebie. So the freebie for today is actually 5 pages from my latest digital kit. That one, it's called Rustic Charm, and I will show you what's in the kit after I show you the freebies. So 5 pages from that kit are free for you to download on my website. You've got one with 3 different colors of picket fences. You've got this one with these lovely tags with a cat, a rooster, a dog, some birds, and a bucket with flowers. Then you've got 3 lovely tag bases. This page, love the little chicks here, and a page with these signs. I've also printed those 2 pages on one page smaller because I'm going to use the smaller version today, I think. So that's what's in the freebie. And to get the freebie, please visit my website. The link is on the screen and also below the video. It's the same deal as always. If any of the ads pop up, simply close them and select the image you wish to download. Click on it. It should open up in a new tab. If by mistake you click on any of the ads and they ask for your details, your credit card information and so on, do not provide. These images are absolutely free. If you wish to share them with your friends, please share the link to my website. Do not sell, redistribute in a digital form as a freebie anywhere else. It's okay to use printed version of all my freebies in the journals that you make and sell. Okay, now let's take a look at the digital kits available in my Etsy store and also on my website. Currently there is a sale on both. So here we have another page with tags and some images, and then we have these tag bases. I really love these. And then here you have a page with the rooster. Then you have a page with windows. There's a page with 3 old rustic doors. And then there's this one with an old cracked wall and some dandelions. There's that one with numbered signs and a checkered tablecloth. Love this texture here. Cracked and peeled paint with wood showing underneath. Then there's that one. These are great to cut and use as pockets. There's 3 pages of these wooden floors, the blue, green and beige or white. And these 3 are vintage looking wallpapers. There is a version of these without all the distressed look that's also free on my website. Okay, I'm gonna use the freebies today. I want to make a pocket using a picket fence. I'm gonna go with just white, and the reason I'm cutting into the blue is because I printed this on really thin copy paper, and if I cut these pointy areas, it's just not going to be good. They're going to start flipping, I think. So I want to reinforce that a little bit by folding that and then cutting. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I'm just going to glue this. And I don't need the whole thing. I'll just go from there to maybe there. I'll go like this, one side first and then the other. I think this journal is perfect for that country theme, a rustic theme. I'm gonna go like this now. Okay. with the brown. That's just a bit empty, so I'm going to just go with this stencil. And now I'm going to make a lot of mess, so I'm just putting this. I would like to have these parts dark, but all the stencils I have are like this. So I'm going to do the reverse stenciling. So I'm going to just apply the ink like this. I don't think it's going to work if I just press it like this, because it tends to dry quickly. So I'm actually going to add a bit of water. Let's see. I'm very happy with that. There's a little bit left, so I can even go further down. I'm going to take away the excess moisture. Okay, let's see now. That works better, I think. And I want to add some like grass and flowers at the bottom. I was thinking of using that paper and that stamp. Oh, like that. And then I'm going to go with the darker one. Maybe I'll just blend it in a little bit. See how those lines are showing? I think I should probably go with black or brown. Let's see. I'm gonna add the glue like so. Like so. So there's gonna be a double pocket after all. See, I planned to have just one. And I'm thinking now 2 would be better. So I'm just gonna go like this. Now I have all these stickers that I hardly ever use. Originally I thought I was going to just glue them over this, but now that I turned it into a pocket, I could glue them like so. That's one option. And another option is to just draw little flowers here, perhaps with some acrylic markers. Let's try that, just a few dots. Let's have some yellow ones. This is fun. I love these acrylic markers because they have soft tip. Let's add some white. Just like that. Some bigger ones too. And the green, some leaves. The reason I printed this one smaller is because I wanted to turn that into a card. Okay, so I'm going to fold it there. And I'm going to glue it. Happiness is homemade. Just gonna glue it over here. Cut this now. I'll just turn it into a tag. This was actually fabric tape and it's just lost its stickiness. So I washed all the glue off, and now I'm using it just as ribbon. It looks good, but then I can't see this. So I am going to put it in like so. And I'm going to cut one of these, maybe the one with a cat. People sometimes ask me, how can I cut with such big scissors? But it's actually easier for my hand if the scissors are small, you have to keep doing this all the time, and I have a problem with this joint here. So this way I'm just squeezing a little bit, and I'm doing most of the work with this hand. See, for me it's easier. Everyone is different, so what works for me might not work for you, so just do whatever is easier for you. So what else do we have in here? I'm gonna cut one of these. Could cut this with a knife, but I was thinking of just leaving it. I'm gonna cut this one too. I'm going to glue it, but like so. Like a little tiny belly band. Got this one with seeds. I could put that there as well. Purple card. It's quite a lot. And those cards, that's a freebie too. We completely covered that sign there, but I've got this one here. That's also free. I just cut out the bottom bit, and maybe it would look good there. Those buckets, I think it's a better fit. I'll just add a bit of glue here. That's a lot of stuff in one pocket, but I like it. Okay. So that's what it looks like when we take everything out. I'm happy with it. And then all the things that I wanted to put inside just fit nicely. Nice. I might add one more pocket somewhere in this journal. It's mostly writing journal, but it's always handy to have at least a few pockets. I hope this was fun for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.